Hey everybody, just wanted to give an update here. I just literally 5 seconds ago placed the final decal on my Space 1999 Mark 9 Hawk. This is a 1/72 scale model, and this has a ridiculous amount of decals on it. Okay, and it's taken me a long time. I probably should have logged how many hours, but definitely more than just one afternoon. A lot of small decals. Look at the tiny ones underneath there. So it looks really nice once it's done, but boy, definitely be ready to put in the time to get this done correctly. So as you can see here, there's a lot of decals to be done. So anyway, there she is. Pretty psyched. So okay, this is a good project because it gives you a lot of practice on actually placing them, and once you go through something like this, you're not worried about applying decals because you've applied some of the tiniest ones I've ever seen in my life. And once you get the hang of that, then you're pretty good with pretty much anything else. So, all right guys, till next time.